Alright guys, so today we're going to try a big rack on my little element, this Nilight 84-inch rack. So let's see how it fits on this little element. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Okay, these are the bars. It's got a nice, I think it's got powder coated. It's not painted. That's good. And another thing I like is that these caps are covered so that the water doesn't get in. See that my previous one that they were not covered, so water did get into the cracks. So that's nice. Manual. Here are the pieces. Looks like it's pretty easy to put together. Just 4 pieces, and you put them all together. Put in the sides and clamp it in. Let's give it a shot. All right. So there are a couple of different sized pieces, I think. This one is the same as the first one. All right. See, this one's a little bit shorter. So maybe if it's too big for my element, I might not put in the shortest one. But we'll put it all together first and check it out. Okay, here's the end pieces. You can see it's got a curve. All right, another end. Here's the wind reflector. It's got a really nice logo on it. See, it's etched out. It's not painted on or anything like that. It's got a backing. Looks pretty good. Okay, these are the bars to go around the top. All right, these looks like the plates to go around the sides. Top bars. All right, so these are the bar clamps. You can see they'll go over like this. Let's see. And got it upside down. And then it clamps onto your crossbars like that. All right, so let's install it and give it a shot. These guys are going to tighten up. Now I can put in this side. All right, looks good. Tighten up the bottom side. All right, that's the way it looks. I think it looks pretty good. These extra support bars on these plates is pretty nice. My old one didn't have that. All right, I think it's gonna fit all right. All right, so this is gonna go up and over like that, and it's gonna clamp onto the rails up there. So let's give that a shot. All right, it's all on. That's the way it looks. I think it looks pretty good. Let's take a look back. This is the way it looks like from the top. It's really spacious. You know, I got some crazy plans about making a roof tent one day out of this frame. But that roof tent is going to have to wait another day. Today, it's just the rack. And I think it looks pretty good.